Hi, this is a tutorial for how to use Citation Machine to make your works cited page in MLA format effortless. So this is what the actual website looks like. I'm going to show you how to go through Google Classroom to get there and then actually how to use it and then paste it into your paper. So from the Google Classroom, and I'm on the 9th grade Google Classroom, but they are all set up the same. You will click the classwork tab at the top, and then if you go to writing resources, you can see the first one here is Citation Machine. There is a link to the website, and then there is also a tutorial, which it has been brought to my attention that this tutorial is no longer helpful because they've changed the website. So that's why I'm making a new one. I'm going to replace the old one with this new video. So all you need to do to get to the website is click this link and it will open Citation Machine for you, and you're going to click on Create Citation. My 10th graders are working on a paper where they have to compare and contrast an editorial and a biography. So that is not a website, a book, or a journal. I'm going to hit more. And when you hit more, you'll see that they give you almost every resource imaginable that they will give you, help you cite. So I'm going to scroll up to editorial and click that, and then it'll open up a data box, and it's going to ask you to put in the information. First and foremost, if you do not have some of the information in MLA, you are to leave that blank. Please don't make it up or try to guesstimate information. So the article that Edgenuity provided to the 10th graders was actually a PDF of the magazine that was being provided. So I'm going to select originally in a magazine and then published online. And I'm going to cheat just a little bit. I pulled some information up to make it easy for me to find this for you. So this editorial title, I'm just going to copy that here from this works cited page that is correct. And I'm going to pop over to Citation Machine, and I'm going to paste that. That's not what I copied. One second. Paste in my title. First name is Sonia. I believe that's correct. And Nazario is the last name. That is all I have, so I'm going to leave the rest of that blank. The magazine title is going to be the New York Times. So I'm going to paste that in. That was provided at the bottom also of the document. And I believe that they said the publication date, that was going to be 11th of July. And the year on that is 2011. I do not have page beginning and ending numbers. Now, I do have the website that I pulled it from, which will be the Edgenuity website. Now, I did receive some works cited pages that were just these links, and that unfortunately is not MLA format. So I'm going to need us to correct that if you turned in just the website links, and hopefully this video will help you get that corrected. So I'm going to paste that into the URL actually. And then here, the name of the website is Edgenuity. And then you are going to put the day that you pulled the information. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in today's date. And then I have completed all of the information that I have. If I don't have the information, I leave it blank. And then I'm going to click Complete Citation. Sometimes it makes you watch a video. I've been using this all day on Google Classroom, helping students with papers. So it's going to make me go through a dreaded video, which thankfully is not that long. We only have about 5 more seconds to go. So Hopefully this is not too painful. And then the last thing that you need to do, that is very important, is make sure that it says that it is in MLA. If it is not in MLA format, you can hit this change style, hit MLA 8, and it will change your format. And as you can see, I've done this more than one time today. So I'm just going to click copy the citation, and then I can from there go into, I did not open a Google document, but I'm going to do that. And from um, Citation Machine, I can paste my citation right in. I'm going to go ahead and change that to Times New Roman 12-point font. And then I'm going to show you guys how to format it correctly, because right now it's all aligned to the left, and that is not MLA format. So I'm going to come to the end, hit enter, and then tab, and then it will move that information in for me. And actually, when you come to the next lines and hit enter, it should just automatically do it for you. If not, you go to the end of each line, hit enter, and then tab. The name should stick out, and all of the lines after it should be indented, which is usually the opposite of what we do. We usually indent the first line. So the works cited page is a little bit backwards. I'm going to push that down, and then I'm going to go up to the top. I'm going to align to the center. Be sure that you give your works cited a title, and the works cited should be on the first line of the page. Your works cited page should be on its own page. So I hope that this video was helpful to show you how to use Citation Machine to make your MLA citations, and then you don't have to worry, do I have all of the correct punctuation? Is my period in the correct place? Everything is done for you. So if you have any questions after that, you can attend Google Meet and screen share with me, and we can check you, or I can help you with step-by-step instructions if you're still having difficulty. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.